This is our CSE2006 Microprocessor and Interfacing project, which was made by 4 people. This is the Snake Game. It's a very famous game in Nokia mobiles, which has been interpreted as a hardware game by us using 8051 microcontroller and other necessary parts. Now, to start the game, this is the starting display, the name of the game Snakes, and this is the ready state of the game. So now if you can see, on the breadboard is the control of the game. We have 5 push buttons for the game console. This will make the snake go up, down, left, right, and the center one is the pause and play button. On right of these 5 buttons is the speed setting key, and on the very right over here, pointed by my finger, is the master reset. Now, to start the game, when you get this play option, you have to select enter, which is the stick button represented by the left hand key on the console. Now this is a snake. The original length is 4 LEDs, which will continue to move in the same direction unless we push a button to guide it. Now let me say I push it down. Right now we are just waiting for the food to appear, or the target, which is here. Okay, now if you noticed, the snake just hit the target, and after hitting the target, the snake grows by 1 length. Then after an amount of delay time, which is set in the program itself, we get another target, and when the snake hits that target, we again get an increase in the length, and we'll get a new target soon. Now one other thing, now the snake is moving left. If I again press the left hand key repeatedly, this will increase the direction speed of the snake, and if I press the key in the opposite direction of the snake, this will reduce the speed. There's another way to change the snake speed, which is through the speed setting button. When I press it, you can see the display speed, and this is the diagram showing how the snake would actually move in real time. Now, denoted by this plus and minus, we can increase or decrease the speed of the snake. If I press the left button or the minus thing, the snake is decreasing in speed, and on the lower hand side, this is how the snake would actually move in the game. This is the bar graph denoting the speed. So I'm increasing the speed and I'm decreasing. The bar graph decreases accordingly, and you can see the same change in the snake as well. After this, you need to press play. Press the enter button again, and the game will resume from the point. We can play this as long as you want. However, there are set number of cycles that a snake can cross. Now, to exit the game, push the pause button, and here's the cross button denoting exit to the game. You exit the game, and here is your score. This is the number of targets the snake has hit. Also, while playing the game, we can push a master reset, and this would again start the game from the very beginning. All the scores would be deleted.
Now we saw how to manually exit the game. Next thing we'll see how do we lose the game. So when the snake collides with itself, it loses. Now this is how the snake collides with himself, and the game is over, that the player loses the game. Now the score is displayed, the final score. So this is how all the game turns out. Now we have a 16x8 LED matrix which is soldered on a 0 board. Here is how we have soldered the LED, all the LEDs. This was how our project Snake Game was.
Thank you.
Thank you.